By definition, a zine is a small handmade booklet, generally reproduced on a photocopy machine, for limited non-commercial distribution. For those of us who make junk journals, and for the sake of this video, it is a small booklet made from one sheet of paper then decorated. Once folded, there are 8 pages, or sides. It can be completely glued as is or left partially open to create pockets. I'll make one from a plain sheet of copy paper. I ink the folds for this demonstration. Fold in half one way, then the other. Now open the sheet and fold the short sides in towards the middle fold. Unfolded, it should look like this. Cut a slit from this point to the other point. Fold as shown here. Now you have a zine to decorate. At this point there is bulk in the folds that want to make it difficult for the edges to line up. You can try to manipulate it, or what I find easier, is to glue the long edges together. Once dry, the edges are tamed and can't shift. That's what I did with this example. The bottom edges are glued and won't move when folded. With this example, I've decorated the glued edge with hand stitching. I've also made a wraparound closure with Velcro dots. I've made notches and sample cards so you can see the pockets clearly. I made sure the closure is loose enough so when the zine is decorated it will fit snugly. So here it is, having been collaged with small bits of ephemera, and for a focal point, each page has a Tim Holtz person. I left the pocket cards blank, except for a tab, so I can write on them. At the end of this video, I will put still images of each page. Now you see why I wear gloves when crafting. Unfortunately, no matter what I use, Ranger inks do not come off my nails. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments.